Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. The question for today is from Kevin Hasminas. He asks, can you sell a property, in this case a condo unit, even if it is still not fully paid? Yes, you can sell a property kahit hindi mo pa nabayaran in full and even make a profit. You can sell during the pre-selling period or while it is under mortgage with the bank or ang tinatawag nating PASALO. Actually, the great thing about investing in real estate is that even if you paid a relatively small amount of the total contract price, you will still realize your capital gains in full. Hindi siya prorated based on the amount you paid. So how does this work? For example, bumili ka ng pre-selling property ngayon at a price of 5 million. After 5 years, you paid a total of 1 million and you have a balance with the developer for 4 million. You decide to sell the property at its current market value of 8 million. So you have a capital gain of 3 million. This means that the buyer will pay you a total of 4 million, which is the sum of your capital gain and the total payments you've made. The buyer will also assume the remaining balance. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you're looking to buy a property, let me help you get the best investment and guide you every step of the way. Schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.